Hey there, Focus admin users. The Attendance Administration screen allows you to review and evaluate attendance records by one or more codes and make changes. You can also add comments, as well as view and upload excuse notes. It's time for a Byte of Tech with your Student Data Systems team. Let's go ahead and get started. On that Focus portal page, you have a couple of options. You can either go to that portal alert that says you have 2 students absent today, or you can come along the side of your menu and choose Attendance, and then also choose Administration. Now we're going to go ahead and go over the different parts of this screen. First, notice that the date does default to today's date, and you can change that by using the drop-down or clicking on that calendar icon. If you come all the way over to the right-hand side, you're going to see your various attendance codes that you'll use to filter this report. It does default to not present, so any code that is not a present code will appear on the report, but you can change that on this drop-down. You can also add different codes here. So for my example, I'm going to choose unexcused absences as well as tardy excused. Once I make those selections, I click Update, and this screen will change. Now when you're looking at this screen, also note that you can change the filters here like most Focus screens, and you can click the search. Over here, if I come down to my test student Neville Longbottom, I'm going to add a comment here. Now you can see that an excuse note was uploaded for Neville that says he was at a dentist appointment. So I'm going to make my comment, and then I can check my excuse note. If I have excuse notes that were turned in to me, I can also upload, scan, or take a photo of them here. If needed, you can select an attendance code from the Fill All Periods pull-down to populate all periods with the selected code. It's also important to note that when checking in or out using the kiosk or the late check-in early release screen, the time in and out columns are also updated. Now remember, anytime you make changes, click that update button. And here you can see that my comment has saved. If you need to find contact information for a student, hover over that phone and any information in Focus will be displayed here. You also have the ability to filter these columns in ascending or descending order based on the title of the column. You can also click on the student name to open a concentrated view of the administration report for that specified student. If you click the drop-down next to the student's name, you can find out more information about that student. And now you've looked at the administration screen in Focus. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out our other recommended videos, because that is a Byte of Tech.